Hello there, my fellow garden dreamers and treasure hunters. If you're anything like me, you've probably got a cabinet full of dishes that whisper stories of Sunday dinners and birthday celebrations, but now they just sit there collecting dust and memories. Well, what if I told you those forgotten beauties could become the crown jewels of your garden paradise? Today, we're transforming ordinary dishes into extraordinary garden magic with 10 jaw-dropping upcycling ideas that'll have your neighbors peeking over the fence in wonder. And trust me, when you see what we do with a simple gravy boat in idea number 7, you'll never look at your china cabinet the same way again. Welcome to Golden Seniors Living, where we turn yesterday's treasures into today's garden gold. Because at our age, we know that the most beautiful gardens aren't just grown, they're lovingly crafted from the heart. If you believe that wisdom and wonder go hand in hand, gently tap that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got endless inspiration waiting to unfold, just like the perfect garden morning. Let's get started. Idea 1. Teacup Fairy Garden Cascade. Remember that delicate china teacup with the tiny chip that made you hesitate to use it for company? Picture this. Stack 3 mismatched teacups on small wooden blocks at different heights, fill each with rich potting soil, and plant miniature succulents or small trailing plants like baby tears. The magic happens when you position them so the plants appear to spill from cup to cup, creating a living waterfall of green. Here's the secret to making it absolutely stunning. Choose plants with different textures and colors. Start with a silvery succulent like Dusty Miller in the top cup. Let String of Pearls cascade into the middle cup planted with bright green moss, and finish with delicate flowering plants like Bacopa in the bottom cup. The morning dew catches on the porcelain, creating tiny prisms of light that dance through your garden. No heavy lifting, no complicated installation, just pure delicate beauty that celebrates imperfection. Position this cascade near a garden path where the morning light filters through, and you've created a moment of discovery that stops visitors in their tracks. It's not just upcycling, it's giving your memories a place to bloom, and telling a story that changes with every season. Idea 2. Dinner Plate Bird Bath Paradise. Got a dinner plate that's seen better days but still holds its elegant shape? Turn it upside down over a large flower pot, add a shallow ceramic bowl on top, and fill with fresh water. But here's how to make it extraordinary. Choose a plate with a beautiful pattern that complements your garden's color scheme. Blue and white china creates a classic English garden feel, while floral patterns add romantic charm. The elevated height is perfect for our feathered friends, and the wide rim gives them plenty of landing space. Add a few smooth river stones to the water for perching spots, and place a small solar fountain pump in the center for the gentle sound of trickling water. Surround the base with shade-loving plants like hostas or ferns, and create a whole ecosystem. Plant fragrant herbs like lavender or mint nearby to attract butterflies while the birds bathe. The sound alone will transport you to a peaceful morning in an English countryside. Position a comfortable chair about 6 feet away, and you've created your own personal nature theater. Sometimes the simplest ideas create the most profound moments of joy, and this little paradise proves that luxury isn't about expense, it's about thoughtful details that feed the soul. Idea 3. Soup Bowl Hanging Planters. Those deep soup bowls sitting lonely in your cupboard, they're about to become floating gardens that add vertical interest to any space. Drill 3 small drainage holes in the bottom, thread strong jute rope through metal washers to create a hanging system, and plant with trailing varieties like ivy or small flowering plants. Create a constellation of hanging bowl gardens at different heights. Use bowls of varying sizes and patterns to create visual rhythm. Hang them at 18 inches, 24 inches, and 30 inches from your pergola or porch ceiling. The key is odd numbers. Groups of 3 or 5 create the most pleasing visual flow. Plant each bowl with seasonal stars. Spring brings trailing pansies. Summer explodes with cascading petunias. Autumn glows with trailing nasturtiums. And winter surprises with hardy ivy. The gentle swaying in the breeze creates a living mobile that changes with the seasons. Add a small saucer beneath each bowl to catch excess water and protect your patio furniture. Each bowl becomes a verse in your garden's living poetry, creating layers of beauty that transform any ordinary space into a magical retreat. Idea 4. Saucer Stepping Stone Pathway. Here's where those mismatched saucers find their true calling, as whimsical stepping stones through your garden beds that invite slow, contemplative walks. Partially bury them in the soil, leaving just the decorative rim exposed. Start with lighter colors near your entrance, and gradually transition to deeper, richer tones as the path winds toward your garden's most peaceful spot. Create a meandering path that invites contemplation. The secret is in the spacing. Place each saucer exactly one comfortable step apart, about 24 inches center to center. This natural rhythm encourages a meditative pace. Choose saucers in complementary colors, or embrace the eclectic charm of mixed patterns. Plant low-growing, fragrant herbs like thyme or chamomile between the saucers. Each step releases a gentle perfume that makes the journey as delightful as the destination. For evening enchantment, nestle small solar lights beside alternate saucers. The gentle glow creates a fairy tale path that extends your garden enjoyment into the twilight hours. Because the most beautiful journeys aren't rushed, they're savored one gentle step at a time, and this pathway ensures that every garden visit becomes a moment of mindful connection with nature. Idea 5. Serving Platter Vertical Garden. Transform that large serving platter into a stunning vertical garden showcase that would make any garden center jealous. Mount it securely on a fence or garden wall that receives morning sun and afternoon shade, the perfect conditions for a diverse plant palette. Fill with a mixture of potting soil and slow-release fertilizer, and create a living tapestry with shallow-rooted plants like sedums, small herbs, or colorful annuals. The platter's rim acts as a natural frame, turning your plant arrangement into living artwork. Plant in odd-numbered groupings and use the rule of thirds. Place your most dramatic plant off-center, then balance it with supporting plants that complement rather than compete. Create seasonal displays that evolve throughout the year. Spring features cool season herbs, summer explodes with heat-loving succulents, fall brings warm-toned sedums, and winter showcases hardy evergreen cuttings. The elevated position puts your artwork at eye level, making it impossible to ignore and ensuring it becomes a conversation starter. It's not just a garden, it's a canvas where nature paints with life, and you're the curator of this ever-changing masterpiece. Idea 6. Ceramic Bowl Water Feature Meditation. Picture the gentle sound of water trickling from bowl to bowl, creating your own personal meditation corner that rivals any expensive spa. Stack 3 graduated ceramic bowls, large, medium, small, with a small water pump, creating a continuous flow from top to bottom. Choose bowls with different textures and colors that create visual harmony while maintaining individual character. Place the largest bowl at the bottom, partially buried for stability. The middle bowl sits on a hidden support, while the smallest crowns the feature. Add smooth river rocks, and perhaps a floating candle for evening ambiance. Surround the base with moisture-loving plants, like Japanese painted ferns or small hostas. These create a lush feeling that makes the water feature feel like a natural spring. The sound of moving water masks the world's chaos, creating a pocket of tranquility where you can sip your morning coffee or find peace in the evening's golden hour. Add a comfortable chair nearby, and you've created your own healing sanctuary. Because every gardener needs a place where the soul can rest and restore, and this gentle water symphony provides the perfect soundtrack for life's quiet moments. Loving these dish transformations so far? Just wait until you see what we do with a simple gravy boat. It's about to become the most unexpected showstopper in your... Plus, we still have 3 more incredible ideas that'll completely change how you see your kitchen cabinets. Idea 7. Gravy Boat Succulent Paradise. Here's the idea that'll have everyone asking, how did you think of that? Turning a gravy boat into a floating succulent paradise that looks like it sailed straight out of a fairy tale. Take that elegant gravy boat, drill a few drainage holes, and create a miniature desert landscape with various succulent varieties. Think of it as creating a living sculpture that tells a story. The boat's natural curved shape mimics a real vessel, and when you place it on a bed of decorative sand or smooth pebbles, it looks like it's actually floating through a sea of tranquility. Choose succulents with different heights and textures, tall paddle plants at the back like oars, rounded echeveria as passengers, and trailing string of pearls cascading over the sides. Position it on a garden table, or nestled among larger plants, and suddenly your garden has a conversation starter that bridges indoor elegance and outdoor wonder. Add tiny shells or sea glass around the base to enhance the nautical theme. The succulents require minimal care, perfect for those of us who want beauty without the fuss. During holidays, tuck tiny LED lights among the succulents for a magical evening display. It's whimsy and wisdom combined, proving that the most unexpected ideas often create the most memorable magic. Idea 8. Casserole dish. Herb garden station. That rectangular casserole dish is about to become your personal herb harvesting station, right outside your kitchen door, transforming cooking from a chore into a celebration of fresh flavors. Fill it with well-draining soil, and organize your herbs by use and growth habit. Place tall herbs like rosemary and sage at the back, medium herbs like basil and oregano in the middle, and low-growing herbs like thyme and chives at the front. The dish's depth gives roots plenty of room, while its size allows for a variety of flavors within arm's reach. Add small plant labels, made from vintage spoons, or wooden markers that complement your garden's aesthetic. Place it on a weathered wooden stand near your kitchen window, and cooking becomes an adventure in fresh flavors. Plant herbs according to your cooking style. Italian herbs for pasta lovers, Mexican varieties for spice enthusiasts, or Asian herbs for exotic flavors. Imagine stepping outside to snip fresh basil for your homemade sauce, or gathering thyme for your famous roasted chicken. The aroma alone will transport you to Mediterranean hillsides. It's not just a garden, it's a living spice rack that turns everyday cooking into a celebration of homegrown goodness. Idea 9. Fine china mosaic garden border. Those pieces of fine china that are too precious to throw away, but too broken to use. They're about to become your garden's most stunning border art that celebrates the beauty of broken things made whole again. Carefully break larger pieces into manageable chunks, using proper safety equipment. Create a mosaic border along your garden beds that tells the story of gathered memories. Mix pieces from different sets, but maintain color harmony. Dig a shallow trench about 4 inches deep along your garden border. Add a layer of sand for stability, and arrange the china pieces with their most beautiful sides facing up. Fill gaps with fine gravel or colored sand that complements the china's colors. The broken pieces catch sunlight differently throughout the day, creating an ever-changing display of light and shadow. Rain makes the colors deeper and more vibrant, while snow creates a magical winter wonderland effect. Involve family members in the creation process. Each person can contribute a piece from their own collection, creating collaborative artwork that represents your family's shared history. It's proof that broken things can be made beautiful again, a lesson our gardens teach us every season. Idea 10. Vintage cake stand. Tiered garden. Let's end with pure garden elegance, transforming a vintage cake stand into a tiered garden centerpiece that would grace any formal garden or intimate patio setting. Use the multiple levels to create a living layer cake of different plant varieties. Think of each tier as a different garden room, with its own personality and purpose. The top tier features delicate flowering plants, like miniature roses or sweet alyssum, plants that create a crown of beauty. The middle section becomes home to trailing varieties that cascade beautifully like ivy geraniums or trailing petunias. The bottom level anchors the display with sturdy plants that provide structure, perhaps ornamental grasses that add movement, or broadleaf plants like small hostas that create a solid foundation. Position it as a centerpiece on a patio table, or use it to create height variation in a garden bed. The formal structure elevates your plants from ordinary to extraordinary. Add a small solar light, or LED string lights, woven through the plantings for evening magic. The tiered structure becomes a beacon of beauty that extends your garden's enchantment into the night hours. It's afternoon tea for your garden, where every plant gets the royal treatment it deserves, and where the simple act of arranging living beauty becomes a celebration of life's sweetest moments. From teacups to cake stands, we've transformed humble dishes into garden poetry, proving that the most beautiful gardens aren't just planted, they're lovingly crafted from the treasures we already hold dear. Each of these ideas celebrates the truth that in our golden years, we've learned the secret of seeing potential where others see problems, beauty where others see broken, and magic where others see mundane. Your garden isn't just soil and seeds. It's memory and hope, story and dream, all dancing together in the gentle rhythm of the seasons. Every dish you transform becomes a bridge between your past and your future, a way to honor the memories while creating new ones. Because every bloom that graces your dish-turned planter is nature's way of saying thank you for giving forgotten treasures a chance to shine again. If just one of these ideas sparked that wonderful "I could do that" feeling in your heart, give us a gentle thumbs up. It lets us know we're walking this creative journey together. Drop a comment below and tell us which dish in your cupboard is calling out for a garden makeover. I read every single comment, and your stories inspire the magic we share. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Seniors Living and ring that notification bell, because your creativity deserves to keep growing, and we're here to nurture it every step of the way. Until next time, keep finding wonder in the everyday, and remember, the most beautiful gardens grow from the heart.